Hitesh, how are you?
Very good, Sudha. How are you?
Good. You'll have to speak loudly because there's a lot of partying going on in the background. So congrats on your GTUGCampout winner. You're the winner of the app.
Thank you very much.
So what did you win?
We created what we call Poppywave, and we were third in around 50 plus number of entries that came here. And this was a great experience. It was a nice way to learn about Google Wave and also, create a new team which we hope to carry forward and the relationships that we made here.
So did you form your team right there? Was your idea already there, or tell me more about it?
We started some time back. I met some of these folks from Nutshell Mail, and I was very excited about Google Wave. And when we saw that there are a bunch of these people who are not on the system, and whenever you have a new kind of communication system, what happens is you need to bring everything which has happened before that, and email is the primary mode of communication so far. So we thought this would be really cool to bring to merge these two different worlds, and that's what Poppywave does. So Poppywave essentially brings people who are not on Google Wave, but gives them a channel to interact with people who are outside Wave and back and forth. So within Google Wave, you can send emails with all the content of the Wave, and you can email back to a URL which will show up as within a wavelet as a blip. So it's like we are marrying the two worlds, and that's what Poppywave is. So it's a utility app, and we think it will be very useful when Google Wave comes out, and when it goes broader the end of September to 100,000 plus people who would like to talk to people who are not on Google Wave through email.
So what did you build this with?
So we built a robot. We built a robot using the Google Robot API, and it's basically right now we don't have the UI, the gadget which talks to this robot. So it's a very sort of primitive way, but that's all we could do in 2 days, and we have plans to make it much more usable by creating a UI on top of it.
So tell me a little bit about your team, because it's all formed within that weekend, right?
Right. So we had two of these guys, David and another David, two Davids from Nutshell Mail, who I met at Facebook meetup, and from there on we thought we'll do it. And when we came here, we pitched the idea. There were 6 new incredible people who came and joined us, and these are like very diverse sort of backgrounds, and it just came together. It was like the whole team came together in a very magical way. And 9 people who didn't know much about each other before this came together, created this in 2 days. So you can imagine the kind of team dynamics that happens. So we met on Friday, sort of learned about each other, what was the strength, and we sort of created tasks which all of us can do in the next 2 days. And it's sort of, I don't have any other word to describe it but magical.
Beautiful.
The way this team came together.
Awesome. So where can we find information about the app, or we'll have to wait till September?
You can go on Twitter. Our handle is Poppywave, Poppywave.
Poppywave.
And the robot is Poppywave at appspot.com.
Very smart. Thank you.